If you are appointed commissioner, what would you consider as your number one priority initiative that must be done before the next general election? And why should you consider it as your priority?
Yeah, my priority for the next general election is to make sure that the commission's decisions are acceptable to the people. And how do I make it? I've told you I have a lot of interest in what's called public participation. So the commission should make sure that whatever they do, the public know, because one of the challenges we have had in our elections is that there's a lot of secrecy. The commission does things that the electorate or the political parties do not know. So when there's inclusivity in decision making, when the commission is making a decision, everybody knows why that decision has been made, and there's a lot of discussion before a decision is arrived, that all parties are able to agree that that's the right way of moving. Number two, the issue of registration of voters. That should be a priority, because since the last time when there was a mass registration of voters, I don't remember when, but that is a key thing that the commission needs to do, so that those people who have reached the age of 18 and they have IDs, they are able to register.
Okay, the next one, the main prerequisite for conducting free, fair, and credible election is a peaceful environment where eligible voters can express their will freely without violence, threats, intimidation, or coercion. You agree with me on that?
I agree with you on that.
This can be achieved if electoral risks are promptly identified and mitigated.
Electoral? Risks, okay.
Yeah. So in your view, what are some of the operational risks IEBC has identified, especially in their 5-year strategic plan, and how will you mitigate the risk of low voter turnout?
One of the issues that comes up as a risk is misinformation to the public.
Operational risk. Eh?
Operational risk. Operational risk is the issue of systems to be used during elections. For example, in the last 2 general elections, our electronic system almost failed. It failed in some places. So we make sure that those risks are mitigated early enough.
That is technology risk. I want operational risk.
Okay, operational risk. The risks that are associated with the operations of the institution. The risks that we may be getting into when we get into election is that the commission, currently the commission may not have enough funding, so that they are able, then we need funding on time so that the commission is able to administer, to do its activities.